Yo, what's going on with y'all, man? It's the Mac, and I got a quick PSA for y'all. Let me pull this down right quick. All right, I'm in the hospital right now. I'm hooked up. See all this? Oh, and I want to make a short PSA for y'all that I'm actually here. It's been traced back to a nuisance dust. And to just make it short, it comes back to what we believe to be um, perlite. So my PSA is to the new gardeners and to the OGs especially, man. Like a lot of times when we say, you see me do videos and you've seen the dust, and I say, hey, make sure you wear a mask. Usually I have the garden mask joint on. I say you don't have to buy the garden mask joint, but get a mask because it's imperative. I'm not talking about the C19, and a lot of people think of that. But before this was happening, if you've been gardening, you should have had a mask. Um, if you don't, and you happen to inhale these dust and these particulates, they get in your lungs, right? You're in trouble. And I wanted to make this PSA to let you know that don't do this in an unventilated area. Wear a mask. And if you don't want to wear a mask, then learn the difference when you go outside of being upwind or downwind from the way that the material is going to be blown um, and moving around. Okay? It's not a game, y'all. Um, I've never been sick like this. I've never been admitted to the hospital in my life. This is the first. Um, and so I just want to take this PSA to tell you be careful when you're gardening. Take precautions. It's not a game. I want to see all y'all grow your food. Like we're growing food to be healthy, but things happen. My gardening season is in limbo right now, but that's okay. As long as I get my lungs and my health right, I don't care. But there's been a lot of PSAs out lately. You know, some are fun, some are just kind of haha. But this is a real one. Protect yourself when you're gardening with any materials. If they're dusty and dry, make sure to wear a mask. Well ventilated area, or if you're outdoors, learn upwind to downwind. Wishing you all a great gardening 2021 season. All right. Much love from the middle of the map. Much love from the middle of the hospital bed.
You did.
Peace.